Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this amazing, eye-catching, really easy to make glitz crystal wedding centerpiece. You do not want to miss out. Please stay tuned and watch how I create this beautiful masterpiece. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and share this video with your friends. All the items I use in this video will be located in the description box below. But be sure to sign up for eBay before purchasing any of those items from your favorite shops online, whether it was from Amazon, so you can get cashbacks, discounts, and more. To start off, you're going to hot glue your bling wrap on all four sides of your wooden panel. This part is completely optional, but what I did here is I used my measuring tape to help guide where I'm going to be placing my bling wrap. So the measurement is about 4 inches below the wooden dowel. That's where I started with my bling wrap. I did not start at the beginning of the wooden dowel, but I started 4 inches below. I really love the look and feel of this bling wrap. It has this sticky texture to it, and it has this beautiful sparkle in it. It's like crystals. It just gives me this beautiful, elegant, classy feel whenever I use it. It's really not like the normal bling wrap that you usually use. This bling wrap really takes your project to the next level. It's absolutely stunning. Let me know in the description box below if you have used this bling wrap before and what are your thoughts on it. Next, you're going to take your wooden dowel to create a perfect hole in the center of your square styrofoam. That is what's going to help hold your wooden dowel in place. I'm going to use my wood glue and add hot glue to the center of where I created the hole so that my wooden dowel can stay in place and have a very strong hold. Use your wooden dowel to create a 4-inch deep hole inside your styrofoam ball. This part is completely optional, but what I did is I used my Dollar Tree fishbowl to create a circle underneath my styrofoam ball so it could help guide where I'm going to be placing my crystal garlands. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. If you was to create this centerpiece, what are some of your favorite color combination would you have created this centerpiece with? Do you love this royal blue color? Do you love it in blush, red? What are some of your favorite color choices? With the 4-inch hole that you created through your styrofoam ball, you're going to be placing your ball flower arrangement through your wooden dowel. You can choose to hot glue it down if necessary.